What is your goal? To look good or to feel good? Why not both? Conventional skincare routines can only go so far in keeping your skin hydrated, nourished, and radiant. Today, lasting beauty for the skin comes from within. The skin is our largest organ, our first line of defense, protecting us from the outside world, but it needs nourishment. Collagen is supposed to be the most abundant protein in the human body, the glue that holds everything together. Our skin, hair, nails, muscles, and joints. But the decline starts early, at the age of 21, and the collagen loss accelerates every year. By our 50s, we will have lost up to a third. You can slow the process. Introducing advanced skin nutrition from Norway, Collagen Boozt, a superior mix of nutrients to jumpstart your collagen levels and boost your skin health routine. Let the glow show. Zinzino Collagen Boozt. Nourish your skin from within.